Hello and welcome to Design Coffee Break. I'm Lisa and I will be your coach today. So this class is for anybody who is tired of writing that end of year newsletter that summarizes the big events in your life that you send out to your business associates or to your family. Or for those of you who want to do something a little different this year as a holiday greeting. I mean, wouldn't it be faster and more fun for the people getting it if you could send a card that had a slideshow of photos and or videos of those big events instead of just telling them about it? So today, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. I'm going to demonstrate how to create your own custom video greeting e-card with PosterMyWall. Whether you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, all of the above, none of the above, video cards are a great way to share those big milestones with your business associates and with your family. Let me show you. This first example shows you what you can do for something that's personal and even among your events, your vacations, everything you're proud of. You can also take any template at all and do this, even ones that don't have a video or a photo to begin with. I'll show you. I took this and we turned it into this for a business application. You can show your customers, your employees, your product, your customers enjoying your product. It really is a great way to reach out and say happy holidays. So let's get started. You're going to want to start on the PosterMyWall homepage and do a search for a template. I'm going to search for a holiday greeting card, photo card. Okay, you can see there are a ton of options, and I'm going to pick this very straightforward one. Click to edit. And now that it's open, I'm going to save it. And of course, you can rename it if you'd like. So a tip for you is to always select a card that has, or a template that has the photo orientation that matches that of your images and videos you want to put on it. So that would be either horizontal or vertical. So I did horizontal because that's what the videos and images I'm going to input today are. Okay, so next you'll want to customize your years and fonts and colors and anything else that you want. We're going to turn this to New Year 2023. I'm not going to go in and edit the entire design because you know how to do that. I'm going to get right to the point, which is the slideshow. So I'm going to take the photo that's here now and delete it. And now I'm going to go to add photos. I'm going to add photo, add slideshow. Now you could also start with video and go under media and click add slideshow. You're going to get a slide on either way. So I'm going to say add a slideshow. And I've already uploaded my photos to PosterMyWall that I want to input. Obviously, you can upload your photos from your desk or use stock photos if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and click all of these. And one of the nice things about the slideshow tool is that I can import all of these at once. So you can see I've already got a slideshow. I'm going to click pause. And now I'm going to position it where I want it. I'm going to drag this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than the opening. We're going to slide it back later, but right now I'm going to leave it on top because it's easier to edit that way. Now on the right here, if you click on your slideshow, you will get this menu where you can see the different slides and you can change the order. Say you want a different one to be first, we can change that. If you want a delay and then how many seconds each one's running, they're all 3 seconds, so I am good with that. So now let's add some videos. So if I want to add more photos, I would click here. If I want to add a video, I click here. So again, I'm going to go to my videos because I've already uploaded what I want. I'm going to click on 2 of them and click add videos, and it will add them after whatever slide I have designated. So once again, I can move them anywhere I want. So I think I'm going to put this one second and then put the bride second to last. Now videos are typically longer, and so I'm going to go to this video and you see it's running for 10.9 seconds, but what I can do is I can just put 3 and it will just play the first 3 seconds. So that is adjusted. And I'm going to go to the other video and show you that if you wanted to take from the front and the back. See, then you can click trim. And so rather than just clipping from the end of the video, I can start at the beginning and drag this here, the frame I like, then drag this frame till I get to my 3-ish seconds. It does not have to be exact, of course. 3 seconds, click trim. And that is just sized how I want it to. Now, if you wanted to have a greeting at the beginning or the end, what you could do is you could click to add a text slide. See, I've got number 6 marked, highlighted. So if I click text, it's going to give me a slide after that. I'm going to type it right in here with my caps how I want them. That's the quickest way to do it. Thank you for being our family. All right. And then, of course, we can customize that like we would anything else. We're going to change the font. And we're going to change the color and size so we can see it better. And let's see the font size. Here we go. Make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to drag it so it's centered. Okay. I'll click to go back and check out my whole slideshow. Actually, if you click in the middle here, then and click on your slideshow, it'll pull up that whole thing. So I'm going to push play and see what I got so far. Wait, sorry, I got it going. So what you want to do is drag it back to the beginning and click play to see what you've got so far. All right, so I liking how that looks. So now I'm going to click on my slideshow and I'm going to click backwards and just keep clicking backwards. So it goes back one step at a time until the photo goes. You can see it's going behind the designs, and there it went behind the frame. You can see that when it goes into the frame. So there you've got it all framed. It is nice and lined up. The other thing that I'm going to switch here, I'm going to come in and I want to add some audio, so I'm going to click for 20 seconds for the length for this last slide. So it will just stay on that slide in the end. All right, and I am going to go back and save, make sure I keep everything I've got. I'm going to add some intro animation first. I'm going to have it bounce in, so that'll be a little bit fun. And I'm also going to go back to my slideshow again. And on my slideshow, you can change the transition. You can see there's lots of choices. I am going to go with shrink today. So you can see it'll bounce in, and then the slides will shrink. So that's a little bit more fun, right? Now, if you want to add some sound, all you had to do is go to Media, add stock audio, or you can add your own audio if you have it. And I am going to can put Christmas music, Christmas theme. I'm going to search. And you can see you can push play, try these out, see which one you like. I like that, so I will click it and click to add it. And that audio is now added to my slideshow. I click save. I'm going to run it one more time just to make sure I'm happy with it. I'm going to click stop. I'm going to save it. And now I am ready to share. So you can, of course, download your file as an MP4 or a GIF or a JPEG, anything you want, depending on where you're going to use it. Or you can publish directly from PosterMyWall. If you're a premium user, you can post directly to your Twitter, Instagram business, Facebook page, Facebook group. You can send it as an email campaign, send it by email directly to people. You can publish it directly to digital signage, which is fun. You can run this on your screens in your restaurant or your store, publish as a web page, embed in a web page, or make a link, get a link to share on social media. Now, I'm going to show you publish as web page because I think that's really fun. And we click it and it gives us a link. I'm going to copy the link. And then I'm going to just paste that into my browser, click go. And you can see that it brings it up the video. I have to wait a couple seconds for it to load. When you share a design as a web page, all you have to do is share that link and send it in an email or any other way to the people you want to see your video. They'll get the link, they'll open it, it will load. And then when you click play, you've got your greeting. So there you have it, your own custom holiday e-card. Wasn't that great? So wasn't that incredibly simple, right? It just took a few minutes and you have a custom video e-card. So what does this cost? Now, if you are a premium or a premium plus user, you have unlimited downloads. With your subscription, you can make as many slideshows as you want. You can make them as long as you want. If you add your own video, it is also 100% free. If you are using the stock video and you are a free or pay-as-you-go user, then you can get a free 15-second GIF for, without paying for it, or you can pay for the download. So anybody can take advantage of this, regardless of your PosterMyWall plan. To make this a little easier for you, we have a promo code. So if you wanted to purchase a subscription for Premium or Premium Plus, this is good for 30% off with the promo code Happy Holly, and that is good through the December 15th. So if you get that premium subscription or Premium Plus, you can make as many of these slideshows as you want. And if you do make a slideshow, please use the hashtag #MadeWithPosterMyWall. We love seeing how you use our tools. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Design Coffee Break. If you're interested in more PosterMyWall tips and demos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.